Uh-oh, I'm almost out of fruit leather. Today, I'm using up frozen fruit using strawberries and some of my applesauce. I'm not even going to bother measuring. I'm just going to combine them, flavor it, and see what I get. That's the beauty of fruit leather. It is so easy and customizable. You can use a single fruit, you can use combined fruits. I often do use apples or applesauce because of the high pectin. It ensures a nice smooth fruit leather without any cracking.
Once you pick your fruit, just puree it to the consistency of applesauce. No cooking required, and then add some seasoning, maybe a little vanilla or cinnamon. Then pour it on your trays, and yes, you can do this in the oven, see gettystewart.com, and put it in a nice even layer. Pop it in the dehydrator at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, for about 8 hours. Then you're going to have a look. Does it look dry? Are there wet spots? Does it feel dry? Does it leave a residue on your hands? And try and peel it off the sheet. If it leaves residue like this, it's not ready. Put it back in the dehydrator and repeat until it's done. Then roll it up, cut it, and put it in an airtight container for snacking later on. It's perfect for traveling, going on planes, or going hiking.